Hello and welcome to another TechRAM tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be doing some coding as well as some basic computer logic to show you how to create the game Rock, Paper, Scissors, but with a twist that allows you, the user, to choose the objects, which object will win against which other object, and the method by which it will win. You'll see what I mean later. So, I'm going to open my favourite text editor, Text Wrangler, and we'll start. So we're going to use the JavaScript coding language for this. You could use anything, but JavaScript seems convenient for this. So I'm just going to make a basic shell for an HTML page to load the script up. Now we can actually do the JavaScript. So, actually, let me change this first. So we need to start with something called variable. Well, we need a lot of variables actually, because all these things are going to be changed by the user. So we're going to have object 1, which is the first object. And so we're going to start with being conventional, rock. We have object 2, paper, scissors. Next we're going to have win variables, and they're going to say who wins out of the two numbers. So var1, 2, the var win 1, 2 will say if 1 and 2 are against each other, who wins. So in this case, it's rock, it's paper. So then we have var win 1, 3, and so it will be rock, and rock is number 1, and var win 2, 3, which will be 3. So all of these things the user can change. And now we also have the method by which it wins. So rock and paper. Paper covers rock. Rock smashes, actually crushes scissors. And scissors cut paper. So now we have all those variables. We'll use them later. So the first thing we need to do is find out which object the computer wants. So we can do that with a simple prompt. Var user object equals. Do you choose? And that's where we start using variables. Choose rock. And this it will look like this. Do you choose rock? Paper. Scissors. It's important to concatenate this, right, so that it looks good and proper. The next thing we need to do is find the computer's object, and the computer object is going to be linked to a random number. So in JavaScript we can get this random number by doing this. And now we need to convert that number into an object. So we'll go. And this is going to find a number between 0, 1 and 2. We'll choose one of those three numbers. So knowing that, we can have a simple if statement where we say if it's 0, redefine it to 1. If it's 1, redefine it to 2. And if it's 2, simple statement. Now we're going to tell the user what they chose and what the computer chose. Next, we're going to see what happens when they're the same. So we can use a simple if statement here. And now we're going to have a long if statement that says what happens for each condition. So first you need to say if the user object is object 1 and computer object is object 2. Then have to do another if statement if win12 is equal to 1, because remember this is all customizable. This is where we get the variables again. Now we're going to use an else if. So that's our if inside an if. And I'm going to have a lot of other conditions depending on all the possible outcomes. So the next condition is, actually, that's reversed. It's the compute object that's equal to object 1 and use object is equal to object 2. If that's the case, we want to do the same code but slightly differently. So to save time, I'm just going to copy and paste. I'm going to make sure I change it to the opposite. So now we have another statement. Sorry. And this statement I'm going to say, what if the object is object 1 and computer object is object 3? So now we've finally done it, and you can see how useful simple if statements and else if statements and variables can be. Let's test it. So I've just realised I forgot the closing script tag, being an idiot. But apart from that, I think we're up and ready to run. So I'll choose paper. I chose paper. Wow, this is news. The computer also chose paper, so it's time. Right. paper. Bam, the computer wins. Anyway, the cool thing we can do here is that we can completely change it. So we can, right, feeling very uninspirational, use backwards language. Now, we can go to this. I'll choose Rebecca. The computer chose Srossix, so computer wins. Srossix stuck Rebecca. Anyway, you can do whatever you like with it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, or subscribe, or comment if you found it helpful or interesting. Thank you.